Not a bad spot to wake up to, is it? Five past 7. Lovely, isn't it? Looks like Princess is still asleep. One thing I am surprised about this holiday is how well I've slept in there. I mean, obviously there's my chair in there at the moment, but yeah, I have slept so well. It's been great. I never thought I would make such good use of that knitted sleeping bag that I made.
You didn't shit into that one, did you?
Shut up. And yeah, I never thought I'd make such good use of that, but it is really, really comfortable and warm, just with that over the top. I've just got extra bedding on top of my mat, just in case I needed it, but no, I've been really warm. And as I say, slept so well. Good. Here's a bit of a rarity. A spaniel that's not mad. It's apparently, according to the owners who are just over there, he's got autism, and yeah, really timid, really nervous, comfortable at home, but first time ever a non-mad spaniel. So yesterday a couple pulled up next to us in a car here, and as they drove off they left a pair of boots behind, so we decided to have a bit of fun with these boots. I'll show you in a minute when all his friends finish f***ing about.
I put a stick in for a bone.
There we go, so we buried them just in there, so it looks like somebody's buried in there. Yeah, I know, we're big kids, big kids. Well, Black Rock Sands, you were brilliant. Now we're heading back to Porthmadog, predominantly because the big girl wants to go back to the shops to change his clothes. Yeah, big girl. Told you. When I said it yesterday about like being on holiday with a girl, I wasn't kidding. So off we go. Gotta say though, thoroughly enjoyed that overnight back at Black Rock Sands. That was really cool, being able to sort of like stay on a beach. Yeah, there were no signs. We both felt a little bit skittish about the tide and all that kind of stuff, but there were no signs saying, you know, that it's dangerous to do so. And the tide, when you look to the sand, clearly doesn't come up beyond a certain point. It will do at certain times of the year. And in certain conditions, but not at the moment. And when we're finished at Porthmadog today, we're going to head over into the Snowdonia area. So here we go again with oldest friend, back shopping. As I said yesterday, it's like being out with a big girl. Well, one thing came out of that little trip to the shop. The lady in there was trying to tell us, she was Welsh, how to pronounce the Ponticasiste aqueduct. That I've been calling the Pontefract Aqueduct, so Ponticasiste. I think we're about, it's about there, it's closer than it was.
Yeah, it's closer than it was.
He says it's still not right, but yeah, it's closer than it was. We're heading up to a waterfall in Snowdonia, and on the route there is a place where it looks like we might be able to get some breakfast, so we're going to go and have a look. It's going to be nice to do some driving through the mountains. Look at these horrible places to live, nestled into this mountainside.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing.
So what we've done is we've rocked up at this place called the Cowshed, and unfortunately, in terms of the restaurant and stuff, it's closed Monday, Tuesday. It's Tuesday today, but they have got yeah, pie machines. Look at that. So we're going to have cold pasties. Yay! Lovely setting though. And off we go to the waterfall. Watkin's Waterfalls, I think it's called. That looks kind of epic as you come around this bend. I think that's Snowdonia right in the background there, behind the one in front of us.
Yes.
It's a bit of an epic view drive.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
We're parked up, we're going for a bit of a meander to look for this waterfall. Nice little bridge here. Put man playing in that with the pack raft. So I've got my sport Crocs on for this one. And so it begins. What's really weird?
I'll tell you when you.
We're not recording.
You definitely don't want this on video. Just let them dry out naturally. So I don't reckon much of this B&B we booked on TripAdvisor, do you?
No, this B&B looks a bit naff. Ah well, I think we might get our money back.
Hey Carl. Carl. Don't reckon much of this B&B we booked on TripAdvisor, do you?
Sure, we've just done that gag. So this is the path we're going up. So we started off here at the car park. We're currently about there and we're just heading into this area where the waterfalls are. So we've done about halfway, because if you look at that as the crow flies, that's pretty straight, but that's a bit windy, so about halfway there. Oh, that's quite impressive as you come out of here. But that opens up. Wow. I think last time we were here, there's a road. See the lake there? There's a road that runs over at the top of that, and I think we stayed further round here.
You know, this might not be a bad walk to do actually.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
As we've just come up here, we can see the waterfalls coming into view round about there. Quite a spectacular setting. Oops, just lost my footing.
Down the hill you go.
Yeah, the higher up you go, as with all these things, the better the view gets. Well, almost. Bloody hell, that is fresh. Oldest friend's feet are going a nice shade of blue. I'm really sorry about the glare on the lens from those legs. They've never seen any sun all summer.
Yeah, because I've been working, that's why.
Yeah, I work in shorts. That's why mine are just off-white.
Mine are now blue with no coat.
Just kind of nice for a little while.
now getting rid of the stench. Stench truck.
Oh, that is cold. And of course the big advantage to Crocs, doesn't matter if your feet are wet when you put them in. Yep, started raining, let's go. They just came out of nowhere just as I was walking down here. Yeah. But thankfully, Nita little shit eater, she's on the lead. That's her nickname now, because she's been, you know, well, you worked it out. So that's the way we came up. We're going to go back a different route just to see if there's anything fanciful to see. Apart from me, of course.
Oh.
So there's that little waterfall that we passed on the way up. Yeah, sun comes out just as we approach the car park. Great. That was a fun little walk, quite enjoyable. We're heading up to where we camped last time we were in Wales, up on the side of Snowdon, just to see what things are like up there. Climbing, up we go. Climbing. When I said up on the side of Snowdon, it's just by one of the adjacent mountains. It is magnificent. So up ahead, shrouded in cloud, that's Snowdon, and we're just about to hit that car park where oldest friend and I stayed the last time we were in Wales. Yeah, it is quite an epic view from up here. On the other side of the cars you've got this. Right, we're going to head back down, and I think we're going to stay at the campsite we stayed at Aberdaron, right on the furthest outreach of...
I'm going to freewheel, see how far I get.
right on the furthest aspect of Wales, furthest west aspect of Wales. So it's a little bit further than Aberdaron, but only a mile or two. Epic. Right, we've got a campsite booked. We just stopped off in Porthmadog to get some supplies. But yeah, I've got a campsite booked. Don't know how to pronounce it. Mynydd Mawr. I'll put it on the screen. We've been there before, spoke to the lady, we're all sorted, so can have a shower tomorrow. I mean, not that we need it, of course, because we smell heavenly. There's a geocache just over there. I know, because I did it the other day, and that'll appear in a future geocaching video for those of you that are interested. That castle up there on the hill. Oldest friends just realised that that castle was the one that we could see when we were on Black Rock Sands last night. Right, so we've just passed the campsite and we're actually going to the very top of the hill that that's just about to come into view, because this is where you get the most awesome views from, and considering it's such a clear day today, the view from up here is just epic. So we're going to go and do it now. It really is quite the climb up here, but it's so worth it. It is just epic. I always get my sense of bearings skewed up. I can't tell whether the land over there is Wales or England. I'm utterly skewed. There's that great island over there with a lighthouse on. Then there's more land mass on the horizon over there.
That's Ireland.
And then there's more land over there, and over there, and over there. It's just like, oh, it really skews. I'll drop a map pin to show you exactly where we are, because it really does skew with your bearings, this one. Doesn't it?
No. Absolutely fine. I know where
Nobody likes a show off, do they? This is alright, isn't it, oldest friend?
What's that, Carl?
Sat here, drinking beer with that for a view.
Do you know what? You're not wrong.
Coddled, look at her. Coddled. Anyway, we've got the fire pit going.
Yep.
They'll be cooking soon. Put you back there for a minute. What are we on? 6 o'clock. I'm getting about ready for some chicken and chips.
Chicken and chips?
Chicken and chips.
Are you having chicken and chips, Carl?
Chicken and chips.
Wow.
For tonight's culinary delights, we've got crispy potato slices. Oh, and tempura chicken. So yeah, I'm having chicken and chips. Oh yeah! I don't know where the hell that voice came from. 1 slab of salmon. 2 slabs of salmon. That's good looking salmon, that.
It is. Not bad. Well, they fucking cheeked me out of that a bit, didn't they?
He's robbed. Yeah, his looks better than mine. There we go, it's getting there. He's on it. Oh, look at that. Gammon butties.
Proper thing.
Oldest friend and I have dined. It is now marching on to about 8 PM. We're just sat here kind of chilling out at the moment.
Chill.
And enjoying the little fire pit. I've never really seen it do that. We just get like one thick flame through the middle. That looks cool. Anyway, we're going to settle down soon. Oldest friend and I have settled down for the night. We've had another good day actually. It's been quite relaxing. I'm glad we came back to the campsite here. We met the couple again who saw us last time. We were here 2 years ago. Had a bit of a chat with them. So yeah, it's been a good night. We've had a very chilled out evening. Fannied about with stuff. That's it for today. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking and subscribing. And I'll see you for the next one tomorrow. We've got a couple of things that we are looking to maybe do. So we'll see how we get on then. See you in that one. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.